And then voila, open this up, we got some tissue paper, and wow, look at all these cases. We've got 6 total right here. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, cases, tech accessories, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, which is a special package that Casetify sent me for free, full of their MagSafe cases for none other than my iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. So thank you very much to Casetify for sending me these cases for free in order to make this video about them. And I've also got other good news. Casetify also gave me a link, casetify.com/warenotice, that all of you guys can use to get 15% off your order on their website. So anyway, without further ado, let's get to getting these cases out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it's the typical sort of Casetify gift wrapping paper that they typically have on the boxes that they send me for free. Right now, this is the 3rd one I've gotten, so I'm definitely used to this cool wrapping paper treatment right here. But anyway, let's just open it up and see what is inside. So let's see, can we go ahead and start ripping this? Yes, we can. And then voila, look, there's also bubble wrap on the inside. That's pretty cool. We can open this up and, ooh, want to be gentle on that bow right there. I love how they package their little nice free cases for me. Like, it's sort of like a gift with the bow and the wrapping paper and everything. I think it is really awesome. Attention to detail right there. We can throw the wrapping paper to the side, and here is the box. Folks, I mean, if this isn't beautiful presentation, I don't know what is. We can come over here and untie the bow, and we can gently pull this ribbon off, and then let's pull the top off the box right here, and voila, look at all these cases. So we can untie this beautiful bow right here, and actually, do I know how to untie this? Yes, I do. Don't worry, guys, okay? We can untie this, and then voila, open this up. We got some tissue paper, and wow, look at all these cases. We've got 6 total right here, and these look beautiful. So let me start getting all of them out of the box. And this is gonna take a bit of time. I mean, this is a lot of cases. So we can pull this off, we can pull this open, we can take the fake phone out of this one, and then here is this one right here. And let's make a pile of all of them, let's say right here, so then we can get them all nice and ready to put onto my iPhone. So we also have this beautiful one right here. It's sort of like clouds in the sunset. That's really pretty. And yes, I did pick all the designs this time, so obviously I'm gonna like them. I love these very colorful Casetify designs. Those are definitely my favorite. So here we go. We got another one right here, these pink and blue hydrangeas. We got another one right here as well. I think this one's a cool design. So it's almost like they sort of dipped it in, I don't know, this blue and gold. I just thought it was cool. And it's also clear as well. We can put this to the side. We can also come over here. This one is very interesting. So it's money butterflies. And I mean, I love money. So yeah, $2 bill butterflies. I think that is pretty cool. We can put that right there. And then last but not least, we got this beautiful beach, actually ocean sunset right here that we can look at as well. And it is partially clear too. So yeah, here are all the different cases that are in this box. Look at them. So now I have all these cases nicely laid out here, and we can try each and every one of them onto my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So first, let's do this case right here. It's this beautiful, colorful design with sort of like light greens, purples, oranges, yellows, and yeah, as you can see, it is MagSafe compatible. Once again, all these cases are MagSafe compatible. And specifically, if you're wondering what version of Casetify's cases these are all Ultra Impact MagSafe compatible cases. That's what they call them. Besides this one right here, it doesn't look like the others, so maybe this one isn't an Ultra Impact because the Ultra Impact have these sort of bumpers on the corners. But besides this one, that's what they all are. And the MagSafe compatible Ultra Impact Casetify cases will set you back about $85 if you're wondering the price. But anyway, here, let's just put this one onto my iPhone so we can just pop it in just like this, and let's see. And you know what? I think it's better to pop it in with the bottom first, so I'm gonna try that now. Oh yeah, that's better, because when I was popping it in the other way, it didn't seem like it wanted to go in, but now it is on my phone, and those colors look pretty good with that Sierra blue of my 13 Pro Max. And as you can see around these sides, it is clear, so you can also see the color of the phone there. Over here on the bottom, we got cutout for lightning port and speaker grills. Over here on the side, it says, wow, look at this. This case is made from 65% recycled material. That's pretty cool. You can also see these sort of like cushions, I believe those are, in there through the clear material. Also, we do have those aforementioned bumpers. Over here on the side, we got volume buttons. Let's play with them and see. Yep, those feel just like normal case volume buttons right there. Also, on this side, we do have a cutout for the mute switch. You can access that right there. And over here on the back, we do have a cutout for the massive rear camera array on the 13 Pro Max. And it also says Casetify around the cameras, so you can know this is a Casetify case. But I mean, yeah, anyway, now let's take this case off and let's switch to the next one. Okay, so yeah, popping it out from the bottom also works best right there. Now let's try this one. I think this one is very pretty. So it is actually clouds during a sunset. So as you can see, they're blues and pinks and all these nice colors. And it's also clear. So I think it's gonna look really great actually when I have my Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max in it, because obviously, you know, the sky is blue and then the phone's gonna be like the sky. So here, I'm gonna pop it in from the top and let's see. Okay, there we go. Let's see. These cases are a bit hard to get on, but you just gotta apply some force and get your phone in there. And anyway, yeah, I was totally right. This looks awesome with the Sierra Blue color because it's just like the sky. So I think this is a really cool case right here. This one, I love this design. And yeah, especially how the sides are clear too. You really get that sort of sky vibe from the phone, which is really complemented well by those sunset clouds. So yeah, this is a pretty cool design if I say so myself. Now, next up, let's try on this Hydrangeas case right there. Its color scheme definitely reminds me of those sunset clouds. So let's see, we can pop this in right here. And let's see, pop it in. Okay, let's see, can we get it in? Yes, we can. And voila, now it is on my iPhone. And yeah, again, this also looks good with the Sierra Blue of the 13 Pro Max. Although there is no clear on the back, you do still have that clear on the sides. So also very pretty design. Next up, we can check out this Money Butterfly case. And now this one's pretty interesting. It's got some red on the inside, but a lot of navy blue going on all around it. So let's pop my iPhone into this case and see how it looks. I think this case was a bit easier to get on actually, so that is good. And now, yes, I think this design is pretty cool with the $2 bill butterflies on the back right there. It's also a pretty minimalist case with this navy blue color and then just that cool design sort of popping out the back right there. That is pretty interesting. Anyway, on to the next case. So next we got this case right here. It's sort of clear, but also dripping in gold. So I think it's cool how these Casetify cases, you know, have a design and are clear at the same time, so you can also see your iPhone, but also have some self-expression in there as well. So here we go, there my iPhone goes in there. And yeah, this one definitely looks cool, and again, looks good with the Sierra Blue. Obviously, when I was picking out these designs, I wanted to pick ones that would look good with the Sierra Blue, but this one also does, since it's got blue up there and the gold here. And you know what's interesting? You can actually feel where the design stops. So that's kind of cool, because it's like smooth down here, and it's, I mean, it's smooth up there, but you can feel a difference in the texture right there. So that's kind of interesting. Anyway, on to the next design. So last but not least, we've got this beautiful oceanfront sunset right here. And prediction, I bet this is going to look very good with my iPhone 13 Pro Max's Sierra Blue color. So we can just pop this in right here. Here we go, and then we can pop it in the bottom as well. And then voila, it is on my phone. And yep, I was right. See how that Sierra Blue sort of blends nicely into the sunset, the sky design up here that's already on the phone. I think that looks very nice. But this design, one thing I am noticing though, is it looks like maybe there's a bit of colored area right here that maybe I personally probably wouldn't have colored like that, because I think it would have looked better if it would have faded down here. But it looks like the fade goes a little bit up here, then dramatically stops. So maybe that would be a little better if it just faded down there, because I think the clear designs on all the other cases are really clean and really, you know, sort of differentiate between the clear and the design a little bit better than right there. But you know, I'm sure if you're not looking too closely at it, it could not be such a big deal. But for me personally, I probably would like it if that transition between the clear and the design was a bit better on this one. But now folks, since we've tried all the cases on my iPhone, let's actually test out the MagSafe on them. So right here I have my very own Apple MagSafe battery pack. And now which case should I test out the MagSafe on? You know what, I want to do these sunset clouds. I think this is a very nice case design. So we can pop my iPhone back into this case right here. And then now that I've got it back on, let's slap my MagSafe battery pack onto this case, and then boom, it snaps on, and now it is charging. So yes, these cases are are MagSafe compatible, as you can probably tell, because yes, they all do have those magnets built into them, just like that. So anyway, now let's test out another MagSafe accessory on this beautiful case right here. Let's test out my very own Apple MagSafe charging puck. So we can plop this down and let's just slap the phone onto it, and then boom, it magnetically attaches to the phone, and now it is charging. So yes, MagSafe works as advertised on these cases. And I mean, yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about these Casetify cases right here that are compatible with MagSafe for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I definitely really like all their different designs. So if you ask me to pick a favorite design out of all these, I'd have a hard time, because really, guys, I am not sure. They're all cool. I did pick them. So yeah, definitely let me know down in the comments which one of these designs is your favorite. I do read all the comments, by the way. And once again, if you want 15% off your order from Casetify's website, you can use my link, casetify.com/warenotice, to get that. Also, if you guys are in the market for your very own iPhone 13 Pro Max cases, I'll have a link down in the description to my playlist of all the different iPhone 13 Pro Max case videos that I've made on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel, so that way I can help you find the perfect case just for you. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.